Lonyaka awubanga muhle ebantwini abaningi emhlabeni jikelele namaqembu ezombusazwe akhala esifanayo. Khathi iPhalamande lihlala ukugcina kulonyaka amaqembu ezombusazwe afisele abantu bakuleli izilokotho ezinhle.
Unfortunately, some people saw a gap in which they can get into these funds to enrich themselves. Those people will burn in hell. They will not be blessed. They will not be blessed because they stole from the poor and vulnerable.
The DA wishes you joy, happiness, safety, good health, time with your family, time to relax, time to reflect, time to pray.
We wish to remind all of our people that COVID-19 pandemic is still with us and we must all do everything in our power to avoid contracting the disease.
It certainly exposed many shortcomings that we face as humanity, most notably our collective greed for economic gain over everything else.
Despite our differences in the House, and yes, indeed, we attacked each other, but we always agreed to disagree and rose to the occasion.
I want to thank all the members, all the chairs, who have made sure that everything moves properly. But then above all, I want to thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Usomlomo wePhalamende uThandi Modise ushiye umlayezo oneseluleko.
I want to say that COVID-19 has shown us its backside. It might still turn around and show us the other side. But we do know that we will be resourceful, we will have each other's back.
Babonge nezisebenzi zasePhalamende ezikwazile ukuqhubeka nomsebenzi wazo ngesikhathi esinzima kube sekuhlonishwa namalungu ePhalamende amahlanu abulawe yiCovid-19.